Come test drive the 2023 BMW 8 Series. BMW 8 Series was born to cover lots of road and in a hurry. The 8 Series comes with a powerful engine that you expect with a BMW. It was BMW's flagship car and was one of the first vehicles to be fitted with an electronic fly-by-wire throttle. Born for speed. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, LED headlights, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.